Yo, 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 I'm back with another vegan what I eat in a day video. I'm going to choose a random one just like I did last time, and at the end of it I'll show you how malnourished they are. Whoever it may be. I'm looking at Maddie Lymburner. What I eat in a day, full day of eating, simple vegan recipes. Sounds terrible, let's do it. Oh, this music, it's always the same. Such a cliche. It's as if the same people make these vegan what I eat in a day videos. The same text, the same music. They try to appeal to people as much as possible. Powders. Sludge. Man-made fruit. If she's trying to show how unnatural she is, bravo.
I've been craving like
She's getting way too thin.
like sweet, juicy, and hydrating in the morning.
Definitely malnourished as hell.
Love citrus, love oranges. These oranges are so good. They're super sweet, super ripe. So
Because you're addicted to sugar.
I think this is supposed to be like the last warm week. So I'm trying to get as much sunshine as possible.
And then it gets really cold for vegans. Oh yeah. She's narcissistic. 100%. Why would you show this? That's so much sugar. This is gonna be a new record. Phytoestrogens. Almond milk. That's not milk. You use it because you crave actual milk. This is a mental illness. She's going to be so sick.
For lunch, I made nuts and seeds. So it's like cashew, almond, hazelnut, Brazil nut, sunflower seed, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds.
Anti-nutrient sludge.
I think that's all.
That's all it is.
And it's so
Mixed
good.
with sugar.
It's so tasty. I love it. It's like my new favorite, not butter.
She makes everything into a sludge.
So
Because
I
our
think I'm
teeth
probably
are
gonna
no
have
good
a few
for
slices
chewing
of toast
that.
after this with some
Oh, this is so unhealthy. She's gonna stop veganism or she's gonna land in a hospital. 100% guaranteed. Garlic kills brain cells. Spices as always, because it tastes like shit otherwise. Oh no. Not the green leaves. All you do is shit it out. There's no point in eating that. This is so funny. She makes it look like there's blood on it. You're trying to replicate meat. It's just like the other guy. It's always the same with the vegans. This is priceless.
Oh, you gonna come sit with me? Of course. Haven't had stuffed sweet potatoes in a really, really long time.
Her body wants blood, and she tortures it with that shit.
Jack, are you eating grass?
Check. Is it a dog? Did they malnourish him? Now he eats grass?
Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I will try to.
She didn't show any of the pills she
I will
takes.
reply to you. I always try to reply.
Of course,
to
most
as many
of them
comments as
don't.
possible.
Oh, it's the cat.
I want to
That's
be a
Jack.
vegan like you, Maddie. I want to be a vegan.
Did they put him on a vegan
Carnivore, but I
diet?
want to be a vegan.
Probably. Alright, here's what she did get. Sugar approximately 405 grams. Diabetes and fatty liver disease are on their way, just like it is with fatty liver Christina. Vitamin C, E, and some of the B's. Some minerals, but not a lot because of the overload of anti-nutrients. Let's talk about what she didn't get at all. Vitamin A, the animal vitamin. She's probably infertile because of that. Vitamin B6, the two animal versions, B12, D, the animal hormone. If there is no sunlight, the only way to get it is from animal fat. And of course vegans are not able to produce it because they are cholesterol deficient. Vitamin F, the animal fats, vitamin K2. Then there's of course cholesterol, saturated animal fat. All of her cells are made out of it, and she's probably ignorant about that. CoQ10, creatine, carnitine, taurine, carnosine, hemi-iron, conjugated linoleic acid. My diagnosis, once again, is severely malnourished. There will be links in the description to studies that prove that vegans are deficient in these nutrients, and that's because we are carnivores and the only way to get them is to eat animals. By spreading veganism, she also supports torture of other humans. Thanks for watching, everyone.